Hey everybody, it's Daryl here from Daily Crypto Trade Signals. And if you like crypto and you like money, then you're at the right place. Now, I want everyone to understand that today we're going to talk about how to make money by trading cryptocurrency. And I'm going to give you two fantastic trade signals and setups for you today. And if you like this content and you like this channel, hit that bell button, subscribe, and smash those likes. So let's dive right in. So what I'm going to be talking about today is Solana BTC, and I'm going to be talking about Solana USDT trade setup. So let's jump into the content and let's review what Solana is all about, what kind of coins and stuff is running on the Solana network. Is Solana the next DOT and Ethereum killer? Let's find out. So what is Solana? Here you can find more information by going to the Solana website. And what Solana does is it allows you to build crypto apps that scale. Solana is a fast, secure, and censorship-resistant blockchain providing open infrastructure for global adoption. Now, if you look at Solana, they have 12 billion total transactions, and the block time is 888 milliseconds. That's pretty fast. And then if you look at the average fees and you compare those to the outrageous gas fees that Ethereum has right now, it's just a fraction. So if you look at Solana, and you can see that there's a number of projects, DeFi projects and Web3 projects and smart contracts that are currently running on the Solana blockchain. And these are Serum, Audius, Terra, Akashi, Chainlink, that's a big one, US dollars, Radium, Bonafide, and Aware.org. Now, I talked about Radium previously, and the founder of Solana and FX Network is also one of the creators of Radium. So Radium is the first AMM built on Solana to leverage a fully decentralized central limit order book. So this is kind of like DEX. Radium is an automated market maker and liquidity provider on the Solana blockchain for Serum decentralized exchange DEX. So Radium is like a pancake swap that you have on Binance. It's like a sushi swap. So this is something you want to take a look at and maybe jump in, because once the Solana network gets adopted widely, this Radium DEX and swap coin will be really important. And Radium has a fast mover advantage as an AMM within Serum, and will be an integral part of bringing new and existing projects and protocols into the ecosystem. So you guys want to take a look at that. So, let's look at the entire ecosystem. We got some really great projects. Crypto.com, that's a big one, is also on Solana. A lot of big projects. Some of these you may have heard of, some of you may have not. Now also, Coinbase has also invested heavily in Solana, etc. So this thing is going to pump. It's just a matter of time. This could be the next Cardano. The Graph, I'm invested in Graph. This is a great coin. BitMax is an exchange. They're also running on Solana. So, you guys need to do your own homework. This is not financial advice. And jump into Solana. So let's look at the Solana price right now. It's trading around $12.34. As I said in my previous video, This is Sunday in Asia, and you know, Monday to Friday the price is pump, and then on Sundays the price is dump. And remember, this is also the end of the month, the end of the smart contract, end of the futures contracts in America. So expect more dumping, prices to go down, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, we should see prices come back up. So let's take a look. So from market cap, it's rank 24. It's currently trading at $12.34. It's down around 10% compared to yesterday. And let's see how people feel. So over 30 days, we looked at about 2x increase, 14 days, 42%, 7 days, 23.5. And the past 24 hours, I said it's down, but it's going up in the last hour. So let's take a look at the trading view chart to kind of get a feel where this thing is going. And you know, if you guys like these videos, please subscribe, hit that bell, and give a thumbs up and like. All right. So we can see here, if we look at the, let's switch that to the daily. You know, I always say that your friend is, the trend is your friend. You can see that Solana has had good upward momentum. It's hit a high of $18. It's come off that high, and right now it's trading at around 12 bucks. And you know, this is some basic consolidation. If we see, you know, it's being dragged down by Bitcoin and Ethereum. You know, so this is a bit of a retrenchment, and this is a good time to buy on the dips. You know, I think by next week we should be up to about 20 bucks on this one. And you'll see later in my trade signals how I talk about that. Alrighty, so let's jump into the trade signals, and let's learn how to make some money. So my first trade setup is Solana USDT, and basically I've set out entry point. Entry points are right here. Take some notes, guys. And I've set 4 targets. T1, $14.37. Target 2 is $15.57. Target 3 is $16.50, or $16.51 if you want to round that up. And then target 4 is $19.01. So I've set my stop loss here. Remember, you have to do your own risk management and really decide where you want to put that stop loss. Okay, some may want to have higher, some may want to lower, depending on what your risk threshold is. And then once again, as I've said in previous videos, you want to divide your trade into different percentages over the different targets. So I like to go 10, 40 here. It gives me 50. Then I can do 25 and 25. You can mix it up depending on how aggressive you want to be and how much risk you want to take. Typically, you know, you're going to get, you know, based on this trade signal in the RSI, probably 91% of you are going to hit target 1. Then typically 67% of my trade signals all hit target 2, and then the, you know, target 3 and target 4 tends to come along. So probably looking at about 50-50 on target 3 and about 50-50 on target 4 hitting. Remember, the trend is your friend. Be patient, don't FOMO, wait. Okay, you will hit these targets. Like I said, I'm anticipating Solana by midweek, end of week, to be around trading around 20. So these targets are going to hit. Now let's look at Solana against BTC. Similar kind of setup. You've got your entry zone here. You've got 4 targets here. You've got a stop loss here. Set your stop loss, own risk management. So once again, you can divide your stop loss, your targets, depending on the percentages that you feel comfortable. You could go 10, 60, the balance here. You could go 20, 20, 20, and a balance here. It's up to you how you guys want to divide it up. Remember, as we go from target 1 to target 4, the potential of hitting the target, the probability is less than here and here. So it's just about how you want to manage your risk and how you want to, how aggressive you want to be. You could be super aggressive and put, you know, 5% here, you know, of 40%, so that's 50, and then the other 50%, that's an aggressive, you know. Or you could be super aggressive and say, hey, hell with, I don't believe in this one, I don't believe in, I'm going to put it all here. It's up to you how you guys want to manage these trade signals. Totally up to you. All right. So let's talk about the overall markets today and see where we're going. So if we look at the overall markets, pretty much everything is down today. Bitcoin over the last 24 hours is down. Ethereum is down. You know, I'm a little bit disappointed about Ethereum. I was expecting a lot higher prices. You know, it hit 2,000. It's come down. It's come down around 27% in 7 days. It's a little bit disappointing. But overall, I'm still very, very bullish on Ethereum. I'm not selling my bag of Ethereum. I'm holding on. Yeah, sometimes I FOMO and I was like, oh, I should sell, I should sell, I should sell. But, you know, I'm holding. I bought my Ethereum around $340, so I'm still okay. Some of you who bought closer to the top, don't panic. Hold on to your Ethereum. This baby's coming back up. All right, guys. Cardano's, you know, yesterday was, you know, trading about $1.42, $1.48. It's come down a lot in the last 24 hours. Come down by 8%. This is normal. People are selling off, taking some profits. This is on the way up next week. Binance Coin, not been doing so well. I was in the number 3rd spot. It's dropped down to number 5 now. You know, there's a lot of euphoria, a lot of really positive news. So people are buying, and drove up the price. And now it's coming back down to where it actually should be. Polkadot, you know, is another blockchain with smart contracts similar to Ethereum. You know, I think Polkadot's got good long-term potential. You know, it's holding its own, even though Bitcoin and Ethereum is dropping. You know, 20% here, 27% here. It's only down 19%, and it's having some positive momentum today. So all in all, we're okay. Now let's look at so you can see that, you know, most of the markets are down today. Yeah, some are up, but you know, those coins that are up are not up a whole lot. Once again, this is Sunday in Asia. Sunday is just happening in America and Europe. So I expect, you know, trading volumes to be lower, and then Tuesday Asia time, Monday time in America and Europe, the market should start pumping again. So once again, guys, if you like crypto, you like making money, hit that bell, subscribe to this channel, and thumbs up. All right, thank you. This is Daryl from Crypto Trade Signals. Have a great day.